Well, we wanted to show you, well, I wanted to show you this really cool sliding door that Tom put in, and it cost under $100. So I'll have him tell you how he put it up and how hard or easy it was to install.
And let's do this. Okay, now I'm staying.
Yeah. Well, hi, I'm Dawn from The Minimal Mom, along with my husband Tom, and we haven't had a good controversial video in a little while.
That just means we haven't done any projects for a couple weeks.
So, but Tom put in this really cool sliding door, and we'll tell you where we got the track in the door and how we did it for under $100. But if you're new to our channel, we like talking about family minimalism and how to simplify your life quickly. But we finished up our kitchen project. We still have a couple things to do in our bedroom yet, but in the meantime, we thought we'd put in this sliding door.
The reason why that we are putting up a door is this room behind us is our TV room. When the kids are in there and we have people over here, this is kind of our only living space, right? So kids here, people here, they're not quiet.
Yeah.
We would like them to be quiet,
just
but
a
the
little
kids.
division.
So we just thought, you know, I actually thought just frame it shut and make it a wall. But Dawn's not as committed to that idea.
My desk is right here, and so it's kind of nice for the kids just to be able to, I can keep an eye on like what they're doing. But there are times, like the girls' keyboard is in there, so there are times where we'd like to have a little bit of separation.
We thought sliding door.
Yeah, it's kind of the easiest solution.
Yeah.
So we found this track on Amazon. It was only $39.99. So of course we didn't know how the quality would be for it.
It's awesome.
It's really good. Those are cool. These are bigger. These are bigger than I was expecting.
Good, because I was hoping it was more hardcore than what you thought it was going to be. I mean, for how heavy that door weighs, I hope it's hardcore.
Yeah. And then Tom found the door at BMO, the Building
Material Outlet in Eagan, Minnesota.
So it was
for $30.
And it's a solid core door. And so it came white. And but before we talk about the color and ask you your opinion on what color, if we should leave it white or not, do you want to just talk about, was it easy to install, hard to install?
Easy. Okay, so this door is really heavy. We put a header board up because it's so heavy.
And they recommended that, right? Or no?
No, you can do it where these will screw into studs if they line up. Ours did not line up with the studs because these are all pre-drilled already. 16 inches on center.
Okay.
So we put up a header board, painted it the wall color, and then put lag bolts in. It all comes in the kit. Put lag bolts in it. Drilled the holes in this door. Hung it. Was concerned with the kids being able to push this thing off the tracks and knock it on the floor. It has spacers that lock it in place so it can't come up and off.
Okay, good.
And then it has a track system that the bottom of the center door has a slot cut in it that I cut in it. So it runs along that slot so that it can't go this way.
So they couldn't push it out.
So they couldn't push it out and they can't slam it. They could, however, slam their fingers in between here.
Yeah. And there are...
So we'll just let one of them do that and then it won't happen again.
And there are rubber stops on each side that you set in place.
Yeah, and I had to set the distance on those.
Okay. How long do you think it took?
Hour?
Yeah. No, it didn't take long. It went together.
Maybe an hour. And then we're going to put a handle.
Yeah, we just need to get the handle too.
And a recessed handle on the other side so it doesn't hit.
Yeah. So, should we talk about why there's an outlet right there? We have no idea. Okay, so now let's get to the debate of should we paint the door blue like the kitchen cabinets, or should we leave it white to kind of match the furniture that's in here, keep it bright over there? Tom's unbiased. I'm just kidding. No, I'm joking. Nope, Tom's on team white, and that's fine. I would like to paint it blue because I think it would give it more character. We don't have any other white doors in our house. That's my opinion. Will you open it again too so we can see how it looks?
We could get some white doors.
We could get some white doors. And I think it kind of gets to be a lot of white over here with the girls' desk and then with the door. So let us know what you think. We also have to put, I took down these picture frames. They were over here before, so I'm gonna put 3 more on there. We have to kind of readjust all those, and we'll put those picture frames back up. So let us know what you think in the comments down below if you think we should leave it white. Either way, it has to be painted because it's all scuffed up, and Tom had to cut the sides down on it to...
Didn't have to, just wanted
chose to make it fit just a little bit better. So it has to get painted either way. Yeah, so the total cost though, the track was $40, the door was $30.
I think the door was $35 after sales tax.
Okay.
So
$75.
$75.
That's not bad, because if you bought that track...
But then this header board, we had that in the basement
Yep.
when we did a board and vet, and so we didn't have to buy it this time, but I want to say it was like $5 or $8 when we did buy it.
And then the handle will probably be another like $10 or $12.
Yeah, maybe.
So, but if you buy those tracks at like home improvement stores, they can be up to a couple $100s. And then the door, I was looking at the solid doors too, and those were around $100 to get a similar style. So it was actually quite a bit cheaper to order that on Amazon and then get the door. So good job. Thank you. I really like how it turned out. All right, so I think that's one of the last projects we want to do in the house before we can get outside. Again, it actually just started snowing again.
Snowing and sleeting in, what month is it, April?
It's April.
Yeah,
the kids had a snow day today on April, and yep, a good weekend to April. So we're just waiting for the weather to get nice, and then we'll be heading outside again, which we're really excited about. I've been getting some seeds for our garden. We've been looking at an irrigation system for it, so we're really excited to get outside and do some stuff outside.
And I got tree happy, so I ordered a lot of trees.
How many trees have you ordered?
192.
And you also planted 2 apple trees.
And I planted 2 apple trees the other day, and then it got snowed on.
And now they're getting snowed on, but they'll be fine.
They'll be fine.
They're from Minnesota, so.
Yep. And I want to order more trees. So.
No. How about we'll vote on that? Who thinks 200 trees is enough for this year?
More trees.
But thank you so much for watching. We'd love to know what color you think we should paint the door. And
white.
A thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give us. We hope you subscribe so that we can keep in touch. And we'll look forward to visiting with you again really soon.
Bye-bye.